A week ago, we told you about a potential major winter storm across the Midwest. Well, here it is. It's not affecting an unbelievably large area as far as major impacts, but a good deal of snow here has broken out, filling in where the rainy areas are, wrapping around, and you're starting to see some heavier stuff develop here late this evening, early into the overnight hours. Cold air circulating around as well to the west, so that'll allow for further strengthening because we have this area of warm air near the east coast. Low pressure center will wrap around in here, continuing to bring around cold air and moisture across these warm Great Lakes. It's going to allow for a big lake enhancement setup. Look at these pretty weather maps right here. This is the upper level pattern. Look at that dip in the jet stream. Lots of energy, spin, rotation at around 18,000 feet in the atmosphere. Again, pretty colors, right? For the non-weather fan out there, it's nice to look at. But this big dip in the jet stream allows for the moisture to come north and the cold air to come south. It's part of a process we call phasing. You can also see this with the temperatures. Cold air being wrapped in well to the south. We're talking about even the southeast, as this low at about 5,000 feet sits and spins. And again, cold air comes up over the top and rotates its way down through the Great Lakes, allowing for that extra enhanced snowfall. So let's take you through on the FUTURECAST. Widespread snow developing through the overnight hours. We're going to see some heavy bands at times that's enhanced off of Lake Erie. This western fringe, pretty light. The southern fringe, fairly light, but we will see some heavier stuff move in at times. I mean, that's maybe 2 inch per hour type snow there in this band that's off of Huron and Erie. Lots of snow for portions of the foothills into the Appalachians. We're talking those orographic lift areas that could see several inches. Not major heavy snow, but it's over a long duration of time. Still, the greater Cleveland area, Sandusky, the snow belt, that's going to be a big event winding down early Wednesday. Then we continue to see more snow showers off of southwest New York, moderate to heavy at times. Watertown area seeing a couple blasts of heavier snow, the higher elevations around Syracuse through eastern portions of upstate New York as well. Everything finally winding down over the course of the next few days. There you go. Nothing more really to deal with at that point. So we're going to have those widespread impacts across the board. You can see mainly in the term of the heavier snowfall that will be slowing you down through your Tuesday morning and off and on for some areas, even through Tuesday night into Wednesday. So slick roads. The power outage chances aren't super huge. It will be gusty though, so that chance is there. It's just a good thing that we have the leaves off of the trees. What kind of snowfall rates are we looking at? Well, there will be areas of 1 inch, maybe 2 inch per hour, brief in the northern Ohio area that's lake enhanced. Otherwise, we're talking a tenth, maybe a 1/4 inch per hour, 1/2 inch per hour type snows. This pushes off towards the east. You can see in that heavy banding, there could be thunder snow. Good stuff. A lot of dynamics at work here. But we're talking about those heaviest accumulations over somewhat small areas, and not for everybody. Here's our map. This is total snowfall accumulation expectations. About 1 foot of snow downwind of Lake Erie in the northern counties, excluding the lakeshore areas. You get a little bit south, it's about 1/2 foot of snow. In those highest elevations, if everything goes right, you're talking 15, maybe 20 inches or so. Impressive stuff, that's for sure. But even Wheeling, Pittsburgh, portions of southern Ohio dealing with a few inches, and the cutoff, not much to the west, except for a couple of lone lake effect bands. So thanks for watching another video. Of course, up to the Buffalo area and whatnot, you'll be dealing with some major snowfall too, a few to several inches in portions of upstate New York as well, a little bit into Quebec. But this is really the big deal here over the next couple of days. For any snow contractor that wants this type of information times 10, times 20, and we're talking some serious details that are impacts to your operation, contact us. We'll be happy to help out.